Hello world. I decided to record this piece of the Unreal Fun video with the project Not the City, futuristic city that I'm building right now, rebuilding right now because I lost all the previous levels, because apparently Unreal really doesn't like when you change name of the assets within the project. And I got back to my Mars project, surface of the Mars. I did this vehicle, but I'm having a little issues with FPS. It's barely 30, maybe even less than 30 FPS. It's a little bit weird because before I haven't had these sort of issues with Mars project, because it's basically a desert, so very few assets, so large scale assets, some interplanetary vehicles, rockets, but there are a few of them and they are not that like high poly. Still there is a few FPS on this level, and the truck itself not that heavy. I think like 130,000 polygons if you count wheels. I think it was with wheels. I don't really remember for sure, but it's not that heavy at all. There are not that many polygons. I don't know why there is no better FPS on this level. On the city level, I understood that there were assets heavy, especially towards like when I made a lot of small assets, added a lot of detalization to a city, a lot of neighborhood, and I didn't know about the level streaming at that point. I didn't use it, so because my PC is very moderate, very old, and it couldn't handle it. I was gonna add some maybe buildings and some other stuff in here to make it that have this level a little bit more detailed than now, because it's basically some rockets in the desert and very few geosphere buildings, which are also extremely low poly, and very few other vehicles. But because it is already there are issues with FPS, I don't even know anymore. Also, I had to change some physics on this particular vehicle because it was really falling on the side a lot, really lowered center of the mass. It's artificially, it's not simulator, but still. And also I kinda forgot, I think I messed with the gravity force on this planet, because it's acting like it's kind of lunar gravity. I did it less than Earth, I think. I don't even remember, but I kind of remember I mess with it, because there are like you can change it. You can change the gravity in Unreal Engine. You can put any. You can put even zero gravity. The Earth is 9.8, I think, and the Mars is slightly less than that. And because when I add a little bit speed to vehicle, it's jumping a little bit unnaturally. It's jumping higher than it should. So I don't know, and I don't like that. It's because in previous recording I didn't really notice it, but after watching actual video I noticed there are like FPS is not that great at all. I was blaming the recording thing, because when you try recording it in HD at the same time, it's taking a toll on my computer, and maybe that's why. But well, when I fly around, it seems slightly better, but still I don't know. And as you can see, the rockets themselves, they are well, not that detailed. It is texturing. A little bit more details in this vehicle, interplanetary vehicle. Says basically 3 super heavy rockets made into one, and they are like hidden in a shell when it's flying towards the surface, and it covered with this tiles, carbon tiles, so it won't burn in the atmosphere. It's a little bit detail heavy, still not that much. I made sun and atmosphere as close as possible to the Mars, because on Mars the sun has like kind of bluish glow around it. It's not yellow or red like on Earth. And I don't know now what to do with it. Should I do some more? Should I add details? I was gonna build like a futuristic city under a dome, like a protective dome, something like that. Fancy looking futuristic city, maybe little by little adding some assets, but right now I don't even because it's already not a good FPS, so don't really know no. trying to change color of the vehicle to a military style, something like that, or maybe just dark, just a barely visible color. Well, still a lot, looks like a lot like a green. Well, what I was gonna say, I was gonna say something else. Something else. Kinda, again, keep forgetting. Oh, this is clearly military style. Very much. Kind of mean looking design, at least on the front. And what I was gonna say, come on, I'm not that old to have these kind of problems, heavy problems with a memory. I was gonna say something important and totally forgot. That happens. Turned it to real dark. Let's see how it feels in real darkness, because I have headlights. How it's gonna feel. There's clearly something wrong with the gravity, or maybe because I moved the center mass too low. But it was laying on the side all the time, so just had to do that. Night feel a little bit even creepy. Atmosphere is still glowing. It's not really full night. Is the night on Mars similar to Earth? Can you see stars? I don't have stars on this level. I have heavy fog. I have a heavy fog. This is a kind of rough terrain. The stones on the surface apparently don't have physics. And not really real objects, basically decoration. And we're getting close to geodesic domes. I wish it would run better. Maybe if not 60 FPS, but at least, you know, like 30, good 30 FPS without running into problems. Headlights from other vehicles. These vehicles are basically all drivable. They all have drivable physics on them, but I don't know how to make blueprints to change vehicles interactively within a game. I don't have that knowledge. My interior is so bright. I didn't put lights in there. Something weird is going on. Well, night feels really different. Really different on a Mars. Okay, I still didn't really remember what I was gonna say. Come on. Well, maybe I'll remember it next time. This is it for today, probably. It's really pointless kind of video. I added on the Sketchfab some generic skyscrapers, which I was developing for a while. The system to make easy skyscrapers. Very simplistic, but if I have a good idea on a design, I can make easily at least the shape of the skyscraper. And I don't have all set of them on my other level, the city level. Well, okay. See you next time. Bye bye.